fly with American or Spirit.
All right, guys. So we had to get off the plane, and we. What's up, that gang? It's your favorite mom, Carly. Can y'all see where I'm at? Guess where I'm at, y'all. Guess where I'm at? Yes, you guessed right. I'm at the airport, guys. I'm on my first girls trip. Yay! Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that noti bell so that you're notified when we post a new video. Comment down below, say hello, hi, let us know how your day is going or how your evening is going, because it's actually nighttime right now. We're on an evening flight and we're going to New Orleans, guys, so we're gonna turn up. Anyways, I'm on a flight with two of my besties. The other girls are on other flights, but we're already here and waiting for our flight. Say hi, guys. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna vlog and you guys are gonna come along and hang out with me on this entire trip. So y'all stay tuned for the litness, okay? Okay, KK? Deuces. Alright, Pet Gang. So we're about to board in a couple minutes. The other girl's flight is delayed 2 hours. 2 hours. What? I'll give y'all the details later, but they're delayed 2 hours. And one of the other flights actually got canceled and they're not flying out until tomorrow morning. So yeah, it's been a crazy evening. But anyways, we're boarding in a couple minutes, guys, so y'all just hang around. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the house once we get there, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, y'all like my braids? Y'all like my shades? So it's very calm. I know that's gonna be the part you edit out. No, I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm over it, Pet Gang. Anyways, guys, we're gonna see y'all soon. I'll see y'all when we on the plane. Oh, when we get to them, we're gonna tell them how soon my refund gonna be there. They leaving me. They leaving me, guys. What he did? What happened? She said it was a full flight, and I said figure. You ever got a bigger press? Oh, thank you. You're struggling, sis. Oh, finally getting on the flight, guys. Wait. Oh. This is so hot.
With American or Spirit.
All right, guys, so we had to get off the plane and we had to walk from terminal 41 to 15 to get on a new flight because the other plane had maintenance issues. So we're waiting to board on the new flight, and I hope there's no more delays. Anyways, guys, there's been an issue with flights being delayed, canceled, and all that bullcrap. American Airlines, JetBlue, Spirit, all of them been having issues for the past couple weeks. So if y'all traveling, just be careful. But anyways, guys, I'm super tired. We're super tired. We're super tired and we're ready to go. So hopefully this one is not delayed and we can hurry up and get to New Orleans, because I'm just over everything.
I just want to shower, eat, and lay down.
So we'll see you guys whenever we get to wherever we're going, because I really don't know where we're going right now. So if we even gonna get on the plane and leave or stay in the airport and wait, who knows. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey Pet Gang, we made it to the house, guys, finally. Look at this mirror. I love it. Hey, hey. Anyways, guys, the house is super nice. Look at our room. This is our room, guys. This is super nice. Look at the closet. The closet is super nice. We have a little sink area here. Share a bathroom with the other girls in the other room. I'm just gonna walk around the house and show you guys the house. Look, we have a little closet here with all our essentials. What I have?
No, I should say you have this.
It's like two different stairs.
So this don't have
It has linen and stuff like that in here.
Let me go check downstairs. I'm not going back outside the video. I'm not going outside.
The house is so pretty.
It had that spray here?
Yeah, in the kitchen.
Oh, cool. Oh, that was the only one?
Yeah, that I saw.
Oh, wow.
This is
The laundry room.
so cute.
Laundry room. These are the stairs. I love this bathroom. Oh my god, this bathroom is amazing, guys. Look at this bathroom. It's super nice. This bathroom is bomb. Look at the shower. Ooh. Ooh. It's so nice in here. This is the other bedroom. The girls are sharing. This is super nice. Super nice. And this is their closet space. Ooh, this closet go all the way out. Ooh. Got some rollaway beds for extra, you know, for anybody else who wants to come and sleep. We're gonna head downstairs. There's two other bedrooms down here. This bedroom. I love these mirrors. Anyways, look how they set everything up. They are amazing. I love this. If you guys are in New Orleans, check them out. I will put the name of the Airbnb that we rented. Super lit. This is so professionally done. I love it. This house is very nice. I guess this is, what is this? Oh, this is the half bathroom. Downstairs, half bathroom. I thought that was something important. This is the kitchen, guys. Look at the kitchen. It's super nice.
Maybe we take Miami for granted.
Super nice. Another mirror, guys. Look at the refrigerator. Of course, there's nothing in there. We'll have to go grocery shopping and get some stuff. But this is super nice, guys. I love it. They gonna give us that little empty spray. Like, that's crazy. This house is super nice. They have a back patio. And these doors heavy. This is the back patio, guys. Super nice. It's nighttime. We just arrived. It's literally 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. It's a little barbecue grill right here. So y'all see the crib? Okay. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Oh, Sheila, help me close this door. Oh, this door's so heavy. Anyways, guys, it's super late. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna go take a shower and get into bed. We have a full day planned tomorrow, so you guys can come along as well. But as far as this vlog, this is the end of this vlog. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that noti bell so that you're notified when we post a new video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.